together, let's use the power of vibrations to heal us. The more we remember in today's fast moving world, to just come inward and practice simple little techniques, but very, very powerful. So, करते हैं 3 ओमकार साथ में. Let's use the power of Omkara, or just the humming sound. That is also the sound of universe, and that is Om. So let's together do that. Hath dono parallel, palm facing upward, feet parallel, and just close your eyes, relax. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, chant. Again. Again. I feel like coming back home. I feel connected to myself and the universe. How about you? दिन में जितनी भी बार चांस मिले ना, come back home, come back to your peace. ये वाइब्रेशन में रहकर जब हम काम करते हैं तो उसकी ताकत 100 गुना बढ़ जाती है. So it is wisdom. If you want clarity in life, remember to do this as often as possible. See, if you are sitting in a crowded place or working in an office and you don't want to make it too obvious, whatever it may be, influence of vyakti vastu paristiti. So what you can do is you can do the anahat chanting, and that is just in your mind. And your cells, every cell of your body will get it and will be able to heal itself. You will be able to open new channels in your brain and use the powerful, super powerful healing technique as simple Omkara. So today, just promise me that next 33 days, and then it will become part of your life, you will chant at least 3 Omkaras every day. Promise? And you can start it right now. Thank you so much. God bless. Together divine, restore order now.